What's going on, guys? My name is Wade with TechDaily, and in this video, we are checking out a really versatile folding laptop stand from the folks over at AboveTEK. If you're looking for an affordable and high-quality portable table setup for working on the couch, in your bed, or maybe adding to your own current desk setup as a standing solution, this is definitely something you should consider. If you're interested in learning more about AboveTEK's laptop stand or any of the other products that they offer, I'll of course have some links down below where you can pick this product up and any others if you're in the market. Right now, it's actually on sale on Amazon for $45, which is more than 30% off, so a great deal you probably don't want to miss. So the laptop stand itself is made from aluminum for the adjustable legs, a bit of plastic accents along the sides and edges, and a wood-like material for the tabletop in that light birch color that I think looks really nice. It's a smooth, high-quality feel that's also still very lightweight, so carrying the whole stand around your house and setting it up wherever you need is a very easy experience. You can see here that my 15-inch MacBook Pro sits nicely on the stand. The entire desk area is about 24 inches by 13 inches, so there's a ton of space to work with. And honestly, you could probably go even bigger for the computer if you wanted to. Towards the bottom along the edge, you have these nice plastic flip-up holders that ensure your laptop doesn't slip off, which is a great addition. And even with my 15-inch laptop on the stand, you can see that off to the side, there's still plenty of space for a mouse, some paperwork, a small book, your phone, or anything else you need right next to you. If you do decide to use a mouse off to the side with your laptop, there's a bit of a rubber padding along the plastic edge of the stand to keep things comfortable for your wrist, and I thought this was a pretty nice touch. The laptop stand has a number of different adjustment capabilities that allow you to get the right setup for wherever you might be using it. First off, the legs fold up completely against the back of the tabletop for easy storage and portability. They lock in place automatically both when folded in and folded out, so you don't have to worry about anything collapsing or becoming undone. It's all a very sturdy, very secure setup that works really well. You can, of course, also adjust the height of the tabletop quickly and easily by just pushing in the button on the leg and sliding it up or down. There are a bunch of little notches on the leg that click into place, and you can go from as low as 9.5 inches all the way up to 13. The entire tabletop can also tilt towards you with a couple of different angles you can choose from. This is great since you can get the perfect work setup, whether you're at your desk, on the couch, in your bed, or anywhere else. And like I said, there are those extra stoppers in place to keep your laptop from sliding off. For me personally, I found the tabletop particularly useful when I wanted to work from my couch. It was tall enough with enough adjustment capabilities that gave me the right setup to work on top of the coffee table, and when I wanted to sit back and relax on the couch with everything a bit closer to me, it worked well in that position too. It's a very comfortable experience with plenty of space both underneath you, on the sides by your legs, and up along the surface of the desk with plenty of real estate to keep everything you need right next to you. And like I mentioned earlier, the whole tabletop setup is very lightweight and incredibly portable, so maneuvering it around your house and setting it up just about anywhere is really easy. All in all, I do think this laptop stand from AboveTEK is the best combination of portability and function while keeping things affordable. For $45, it's a great deal right now, and with more than 145 ratings on Amazon and a 4.5-star average review, I can definitely see why so many people are a fan of this thing. Like I mentioned earlier, if you are interested in picking this one up, check the link in the description down below for the cheapest prices. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know what you think of AboveTEK's laptop stand in the comments down below. Also, be sure to follow TechDaily on Twitter and subscribe to the TechDaily YouTube channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys later.